What do you tell yourself? May tinatawag tayong self-talk, and try to assess kung yung sinasabi mo ba sa sarili mo ay positive things or negative things. Siguro yung default is something negative. Parang sinasabi mo, ang tanga-tanga ko talaga, or stupid, or ang bobo ko talaga. I know we have our weaknesses, I know nagkakamali tayo, pero try to treat yourself better. Maybe you can say, kaya ko to, or gagalingan ko, or perhaps bawi next time. Be kind to yourself, kasi if you're kind to yourself, it's gonna be easier to be kind to others as well. Just try to imagine what God would say to you. And I'm sure He would say encouraging words. Words that will guide you, words that will correct you, words that can make your life better. That's what God would say. So ganun ka rin, baguhin mo yung self-talk mo into something more positive and constructive. Mahalin mo rin sarili mo so you can love others better.
What is your greatest fear? Di ba may mga ganun tayo? Yung worst case scenario or the craziest thing that can happen to you. And by all means, iniiwasan natin yung kinakatakutan nating mangyari sa atin. But it's also good to think about it kasi it makes us aware of what to avoid and what not to do para hindi tayo madala sa ganung sitwasyon. Pero hindi din tayo pwedeng maging paralyzed by fear. Lalo na pag ramdam mo na ito yung leading ng Diyos sa'yo, na ito yung makakatulong sa pamilya mo, at ito yung makakabless sa buhay mo at sa buhay ng ibang tao. And maybe your greatest fear would be rejection or pumalpak at masabihan na failure. Pero really, pag-isipan mo, there's nothing to fear if you prayed about it and you think it's the right thing to do, wala kang nilalabag na batas, wala kang sinasaktan na tao, at wala kang inaabala. If you're pursuing what's right, the worst case scenario could be that you get hurt emotionally. Kasi if you pursue what is godly, you can only become better. But of course, if you pursue what is in the path of sin, pwede kang makulong syempre. But if that's not the path you're following, then go ahead, do the right thing. Do what's best for your family and find that peace that you said yes to God. Don't let fear rule over you, but let love prevail.
Ano pa ang hinihintay mo? One of the things that many of us are guilty about is procrastination. Para bang we tend to do things later. Parang may hinihintay pa tayo. At alam mo naman na pwede mo na siyang gawin ngayon. And alam mo rin that if you do it now, you'll have lesser worries, lesser problems. Pero bakit nga ba parang may hinihintay tayo? Parang bakit mamaya pa? Maaaring pagod ka and a bit burnt out, or maaari din na ayaw mo yung task or it's bothersome, na you wanna delay it as much as possible because it's a pain to deal with it. Pero alam mo, take on the challenge to do it right away para mas marami ka pang ma-accomplish, and the sooner you do it, the sooner you'll realize di naman siya ganun kahirap talaga, and you'll feel good about yourself. Ang maganda pa nito, you can actually build momentum. So what are you waiting for? God will answer your prayer, pero totoo na kailangan gumalaw din tayo. Pray for strength, pray for courage, and pray that you'll be inspired to finally do that one thing na kailangan mong gawin talaga. Huwag mo nang patagalin kasi umaasa din ang iba sa'yo. You can do it. No more waiting, no more delays.